Momolu is always helping us, so let's make him a medallion to show everyone how helpful he is. Like this. When we see Momolu wearing it, we'll know he has something he wants to do.
And we won't let him help us.
Yes! Let's make a medallion! We start with salt dough and some shells for decoration and make some strings for the chain.
Woohoo! Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Huh?
Aha!
Surprise!
I love surprises!
Ooh, what's this?
You are a great friend and very helpful. But sometimes you have to do what you want to do.
When you wear this, we will know you have plans of your own.
And you can ask us for help.
I love it! I actually need help. To finish this sandcastle!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.